Besides user fields where you can store the user responses and segment them in a specific way to personalize conversations or follow-ups, you are also able to add tags towards these users. From the Contents tab, just press the Tags tab, and from here you'll be able to add a new tag by pressing the blue button on the right. You can give the tag any kind of name you like to, and once done, just press the button Add. You will now see the created tag in the tags overview. Besides creating the tag inside of the Contents tab, you will also be able to go towards the flow and create a tag by using an Action step. Go to Basic Actions, add a tag. From here you will be able to add all the tags that have already been created, but just like the user field, you will be able to create a tag on the spot. Just press the button below the typed text. You will see that the new tag has now been created. Again, this saves you a lot of time when building chatbots and you don't have a specific tag. You can create one directly inside the flow builder.